I've worked as an employee at multiple dryer vent cleaning companies for the past 8 years, and there's a lot of stuff that goes on that the customer doesn't know. And in this video, I'm going to tell you everything. This isn't to single out one company. There's a lot of great dryer vent cleaning companies out there, and getting your dryer vent cleaned regularly is very important to keep your house safe and your dryer working efficiently. I'm going to tell you the scams and shady business practices that I personally seen and what questions to ask to avoid it. First one is the foot in the door scam. If you book a dryer vent cleaner for a price less than $200, be aware, knowing what I know from how much it costs the owners to operate, advertise, insurance, and pay skilled employees like me is a lot. And if they're going to your house for $100, $150, most likely they're operating at a loss, and they're going to try to leave your house with around $400. So to avoid this, always ask what is included in the price, what should be included, and what's necessary to consider having your dryer vent cleaned are the following. Obviously, the dryer vent. Next is the transition vent, which is basically the dryer vent because it attaches your dryer to the dryer vent. Inside the dryer, if you're just getting your dryer vent cleaned and not the inside of your dryer, you're leaving your house still at a fire risk because the fires start inside the dryer if they're filled with lint. It doesn't take that much time, at least for me, to clean the inside of the dryer, so this should always be included. Next is inside the lint tray where you pull out the lint screen, and most importantly is the roof or where it lets out on the side. If a company says that the roof isn't included and your vent goes to the roof, don't go with that company because from what I've seen, 90% of the time, if a customer's vent is clogged and they really need it cleaned to be able to do their laundry and there's a fire risk, it's because there's something clogged on the roof, either a big piece of lint or a screen. So some companies will say like $80 to get your dryer vent cleaned, and then they'll tell you, oh, going up on the roof's $150, cleaning the inside of the dryer is $50. Let's spray some fog in your AC vents for $100, and they'll try to upsell you everything. So asking what's included will really save you from someone trying to do that because they'll already be at your house. Then they'll tell you the price. Next one is the no price at all. A lot of times, companies that I worked for, the owners would fill the customer's head with a bunch of jargon, not let them get any questions in, and say, all right, we'll be there tomorrow at 10. And then I get to the house and the customer goes, oh, for some reason, I forgot to ask what the price was. Can you let me know the price? And this is so once I'm already there and I started doing the job, they pretty much have to pay. So always ask for a price before you book a service for anything, because this was a tactic that a lot of companies use, and it's really uncomfortable for me because I'm the one that has to give them the bad news that it's a lot more expensive than they thought. Next is a big one is the coupon scam, whether it's on a Facebook ad or it's a coupon in the mail. How this one works is in the Super Saver or the coupon book you get sent to your house, you'll look through it and see an advertisement. That advertisement will say a discount. So for example, it'll say dryer vent cleaning first time customer, $30 off. Now you call the company, oh, $30 off. I got $30 off. Let me call them. You call them, and every company I worked at, there is no set price. It's not like McDonald's is $9 for a Big Mac, or one-story dryer vent is $150, two-story dryer vent's $200. None of the places have set prices. The price is whatever the owner or whoever's on the phone thinks they could get away with. So with no set price, a discount doesn't mean anything. So if the owner wanted the customer to pay $250, somebody calls, I have a coupon, I'm getting my dryer vent cleaned. How much is it? They'll say $280 minus $50, and then they're still getting the $250. So be very wary of the coupons, because most of these are just bait to get you to call to get the same price that you were going to get anyway. The other one with the coupon is going to be the stacked coupon scam, and that one goes pretty much the same, but there's another step. So you call because you got the $30 off, and then the person on the phone goes, oh, okay, the price is $300, but if you book today, I could take $50 off. And the customer's, oh, that's great, I get getting $50 off, but I have this coupon for $30. And it says on the coupon, I can't combine it. So the coupon, basically worthless because they gave them another fake discount to still get at the same price that they wanted for $250. So those are some of the most common scams that I've seen that cost customers a lot of money and put me in a lot of awkward situations. So if you want to learn how to clean your dryer vent yourself and not give your money to these greedy companies, check out this video over here.